Center of Pakistan and International Relations with the collaboration of STG Academy is doing series of activities related to Silk Road SDG Global Impact Playground 48. And today, this webinar topic is Pakistan's geo-economic importance among Belt and Road countries. As we all know that Pakistan is having a very important strategic location and which can give it an added advantage among Belt and Road countries to facilitate sea and land route. CPEC is one of the most successful project of BRI, and it is considered and I believe that BRI is an ideal platform to tackle emerging international regional challenges. CPEC bringing economic prosperity and making people an important regional power. Before moving to our honorable speaker, I just want to highlight the story of Center of Pakistan and International Relations and its link with Belt and Road Initiative. Belt and Road Initiative, which is formally called One Belt, One Road Initiative, we have been working with the Chinese government and Pakistan government for a very long period of time, and we published number of reports. And the first panelist I'm going to invite, we closely work together, and we have been honored that our think tank delegation is invited by the Chinese government many times, and we had an experience of interacting with their various chamber of commerce and industry, their Ministry of Commerce and Trade, and also with the organizations which are linked with the think tanks working among the Belt and Road countries. We also work with different women associations as well. So we closely see the development, and I must say I'm really impressed with the leadership of the Chinese government, that they created a new concept of sustainability, inclusivity, and everything. So, you know, this is something which is connecting the world, and connecting economically is something which can also change the political dynamics. And that's why we thought that this is the time to have another webinar and discussion and an event on Belt and Road, keeping in mind the specific importance of geo-economic importance of Pakistan in this regard. After this event, we are also, as usual, we always publish certain reports and our recommendations. Today, we are having our worthy speakers who are also giving their own research paper and work in this field. So we are thankful to all of them.